The Early Career Diplomat program at the Nordic Africa Institute provides a unique platform for early career diplomats from the Nordics and Africa to meet, to exchange knowledge and perspectives. And we hope that this will contribute to more deeper ties between Africa and the Nordics.
I mean, networking alone is such a big thing. Having informal lines of communication is usually, you know, a very good way to address very contentious issues or very tough questions together. There's a level of trust that you build through experience and through exposure to other people. That I now have colleagues across the continent from this cohort that I can, you know, give a call, have a frank and honest discussion about, because we have that baseline established already.
Information sharing, knowledge sharing, as we have seen in our discussions, that it's very important that we share our perspectives, and when we actually do that, we find out that we are not so different after all. And for example, Botswana and Sweden. These are two different countries from two different parts of the world, but we share similar values when it comes to issues like democracy, the respect for the rule of law. So it's very important to do that, because as we engage in these discussions, we actually become more open-minded on how we can actually solve our problems.
I found the group work especially inspiring, because there we really got into the practice of it all and into the nitty-gritty details, and we also got to create these collaborative platforms for more efficient Nordic African collaboration. So I thought that was very, very inspiring, and we actually produced some pretty good outcomes and results.
I think what I've learned during this program will definitely help me in my career. I mean, I'm just starting, so I'm really eager to learn and to be able to have this perspective of having the research kind of guiding you also going forward. I think it's something that is so present in your life when you do your studies, but then when you start your professional career, it's easy to lose track of it. So I find this program as a really good reminder also that the research is there, and I think it will really help me to think in new ways.
It's really amazing that the library is arranged in a very wonderful way, so that you can find there are many regions at one place, other countries that form one region at another place. You can easily go to a certain place and click or take the book that you're looking for.
I think that combining and being able to bring together both the Nordic diplomats as well as many colleagues as well from the African continent, either that are already on mission here in Europe or in the Nordic countries, or Nordic diplomats in the African countries, is key to ensuring that we have a cooperation that is indeed mutually beneficial, that is also based on the Africa strategy of the Nordic countries, and to continue a relationship that is indeed, yes, mutually beneficial for all parties as well.
Early career diplomats will be part of transforming international relations, and during these very geopolitically challenging times, their role will be absolutely essential. So if we can provide a platform to help them engage with researchers in informing policy making, that is one of the main objectives that we hope to achieve.